Yo, what's up? The MX Guardian got a nice buff in the Season 6 update. So, I'm going to show you the loadout I'm using. Got a little bit of footage for you. No bullshit, straight into the loadout. Let's go. We got the Bryson Choke. Plus 13 vertically, horizontally plus 30. We've got the Hype LM. Plus 0.5 vertical, minus 0.4 horizontal. VLK laser, like this laser, only shows on ADS. I don't like having a laser that's visible when I'm not using ADS. Giving your position away, not good. Tuning on this, minus 0.5 vertically and minus 51 horizontally. On our rear grip, we've got the Bruin B60, minus 1 on the vertical axis and minus 0.5 horizontally. And we are running the MX Pro Mag. Isn't that great? That's the loadout for the auto doof. I'd also recommend you run fast hands, get your faster reloads on this thing, because you are going to need it. So that's it, a little bit of gameplay coming up if you want to see it in action. If not, go fucking shred, go pwn them up. See you guys later, cheers.
Oh, they're worried now. Oh, they're worried. Aaron's worried as well.
Oh, worried. What the fuck is night vision goggles? How do I use them though? Toggle.
Bro, they added night vision. Shit. Dude, it can feel like we're in that fucking game. Spec Ops.
Why are all my guns canted now? Is this what night vision does? Wait, let me toggle it off. Oh, it does. Like all your fucking guns are canted. I think.
Okay, I like that. I like that addition they've added night vision. That's pretty cool.
Oh, guy dropping on us.
There's a guy on the roof. Oh. Whoa, there's so many people.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, don't, stop. Oh, he's here. Oh, holiday. Oh, no.
I sniped him.
No.
Dropping an airstrike.
Warzone. Okay, we're alright. Whoa, everything's flashing. Look at having epilepsy.
That's me. I just dropped an airstrike on you, that's all, just to stop him from pushing you.
I know, but you gave me epilepsy. I want to make the loudest loadout. Loudest loadout. Why does that not sound right?
I'm pretty sure you're saying it right. Oh, that guy's broke. I'm pushing him.
Nah, he ain't broke. He's fucking down.
Oh, I'm pushing him then.
His teammate is going on vacation.
Oh, he's just reinforcement flare from behind his bush.
I need to reload, game. I don't think you understand. Dude, why can't I shoot him through a bush?
Oh shit, he did. He's got reinforcement flare, grab it.
I can't, I'm about to die to the gas.
Shit. Oh, go on our right,
There was a guy right ahead of us as well.
I downed him in the water.
Oh, I really want my loadout, right?
Lemonade.
I really want my loadout. Do you think I could get it?
You could try. I'm gonna get mine as well, actually.
Yeah, boy!
He's over here.
Oh, behind as well. Oh, what the fuck? Who's looking? I don't like.
Let's go around this way. Here he is. Break him. Oh, nice.
You got auto doofed. Oh, yes. Oh, he's down.
Pushing. Yeah. Found him again.
Oh, fuck's sake! Oh fucking fell right fucking down as well, didn't I?
Okay, they're dead.
Nice.
Broken. Pushing.
Oh, he's down, he's down, he's down. Got him. His teammates here.
Nice.
Oh, baby. we did that after this game. Like, see if you can... Ooh. Whoa, whoa, it's my game. Oh, fuck, that was a big lag fucking spike. Yo. What the fuck was that?
There might be a guy.
Bro J. Bro J.
Bro J. Bro J. Oh shit, has got me. Oh, this is Nagoo.
Yo.
Oh, fuck
what,
off!
Who fucking
Why
shot
is he
you
so
there?
dead set killing me? Yeah, just keep covering the window. They're gonna.
I need to reload. I need to reload. Keep crawling. Keep crawling. Keep crawling. I know you're doing it, but keep crawling. Keep crawling.
Get around the corner.
Fuck! I got that medic vest.
Oh, for fuck's sake, man! He's still there. Oh, fuck off, bro! I have no armor, man. Someone here with us in the building?
Whoa, you little dingle! His teammate's coming! Oh, oh.
Wait, get the revive. He's got pushed from far.
No, he's really close. He's really close.
Sorry, I'm up. Go on.
Auto doof! Yeah, bitch!
I'm gonna get a reinforcement for that. Oh no, the price of reinforcement flares have gone up to 7 grand.
Oh, and fucking inflation.
Fucking inflation, man. Guy in the distance.
Oh, he down. He down. I'm gonna blindly
Oh,
throw
is.
some grenades in that direction.
We should push him.
Oh, he's gone in the, his teammate's gone in the water.
I'm pushing the down guy. Where is he?
He was behind there.
Got him.
Nice. Trying to see if I can see the
He's
water
got reinforcement flare.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, he's down here.
Ah! I fell. I'll be getting shot at by someone. I'm gonna make their life worse.
Yeah. How am I missing? What the fuck? Bro, I shot him twice while he's down. He didn't die. What the fuck?
Apparently, I eliminated someone.
Yeah, it was that guy who was down.
Dude, this guy's like a fucking demon. Suck.
No, man. I shot him like twice with a sniper. I shot him a 3rd time. Man, this Lockwood's really good because it shoots really fast and it's just so little damage. You have to shoot people like 3 or 4 times before they go down.
Who might try to hurt us. Who is trying to hurt us.
Yeah, I broke him. I'm being shot from the left.
Oh, there's a guy right in front of me. Oh my god. Oh, this is really bad. He was getting shot at by someone. I'm gonna jump in the water to siege.
Yeah, I might do that. Oh my god, I'm being shot from the left and in front. Coming in the water. Coming in the water. I got down. Watch out, there's gonna be a team push us.
Self-revive, self-revive.
I've got no armor, but I'm just gonna camp the water. If I die, I have a reinforcement flare.
Alright.
Have you got any armor?
I got 1 sheet.
Let's see.
Okay, let's move this way, let's move this way.
Here, take my reinforcement flare.
Over there. He's the last guy, he's the last guy.
Broke him.
Ah, ha, ha, ha. Oh, Bandolo! Bandolo!
That's how we did it.